Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select the picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the picture, select the import button, go to the gallery, select another picture, adjust the picture, save the picture, select the save option, adjust the save, confirmation, select the text option, edit by writing, select the size, adjust the size, select the font, adjust the font, and then select the stroke button, enable button down, adjust the color, then select the erased color, enable button down, and then copy the letter, select the copy option, do the adjust, change the background, select the color, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.